All right, what up, Jerk Squad? We're gonna start this intro right now because I got the first fish of the day. Let's go. All right, check it. We got a little jack smelt right here, guys. We got a little jack smelt to start off the Jerk Squad meetup number 4. Let's go. All right, Jerk Squad, there we go. First fish of the day, we got a little jack smelt. Or actually, no, I think they call these things swimming aquatic water bison is the actual name for these. So, all right, welcome to the channel, guys. Jerk Squad meetup number 4. Make sure you go down, like, and subscribe. Cop some Perch merch. We're about to hammer today and have fun. And I'm about to throw this little dude out. All right, let's do it. So I got my Sienna 4000 FE reel with some 20-pound blue braid on it, and it's on my big game Berkeley pole. I have a 3-way swivel at the top of my pole. At the bottom of it, I have a circle hook, and I have a 3-ounce weight attached. And I just put this live dude on here, and we're about to throw him out, see what we can catch. Come on, let it be. Oh, it's just a smelt, and he's gone. All right, you guys, my dude Matthew out here. What do you got? He's got the Mac attack, dude. Oh yeah. Hey, that's sweet, dude. Nice catch, man.
Thanks, man.
What are you using? Sabiki rig, and then what bait are you using?
Just some shrimp. We tipped it also with some squid. A couple little squids, some shrimp, really.
All right, cool. Squid and shrimp. All right, let's look at this, dude. Yeah, that's a quality Mac right there, dude. Look at those colors on it. I love it. It's like a tiger stripe thing going on. Yeah. What up, jerks? All right, cool, man. All right, good deal, Matt. On the fish, let's go. All right, it's not a mackerel. I'm trying for the Mac, you guys. I'm trying for the Mac, but we got the jack smelt. It's not the Mac, it's the jack. Oh, he's trying to stab me. There we go, guys. There's bait fish out here. There is bait fish out here. I'm gonna get a mackerel, I promise you guys. Don't worry. Woohoo! All right, there we go, you guys. Jerry got himself a jack smelt. There we go, Jerry. Jerry. Nice catch, brother, man. Let's see it. Let's see your catch. Nice. Way to go, brother. All right, Jerk Squad, Francis just showed up, and he's up here sporting the coolest fanny pack I've ever seen, dog. That's epic, brother. All right, good stuff, man. Let's get on it. All right, what do we got here? Fresh Mac from my dude. What's your name again?
Fernando, bro.
Fernando, my brother. Thank you so much, dude. All right, jerks, let's go get this on the line. All right, guys, this is my big pole setup right here. I'm sure some of you guys have seen this before. This is a Saltis 30H with 65-pound braid and 20-pound fluorocarbon leader. And this is a Daiwa Proteus rod. And then on the end of this one, too, I have a 3-way swivel. I got a hook on one end and a sinker on the other end. I'm going to switch out this shrimp for that mackerel. All right, there you guys go. I slapped him on the hook, put the circle hook through his nose, got a whole live Mac. I got the sinker. I'm about to send this dude out. Let's go. Fernando, what'd you get, dude?
We got a Salima, I guess that's what it is.
Yeah, that is a Salima. Here, let me put him up to the camera. Yeah, this is a Salima. These things make like noises, kind of.
Yeah, they do.
If you listen, you can kind of hear it. But yeah, this is a dude. That's the biggest Salima I've ever seen, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's the biggest Salima I've seen
going
yet.
back into the water so you can throw them out.
Throw them back in?
Yes, sir.
All right, back to the water we go, jerks. All right, see you later, little Salima. The leap of faith. Whee! All right, we got Jerk Master Luke out here. What do you got, brother, man?
I got a chub mackerel.
You got a chubby mackerel. I like it, dude. Nice. Let's get a good look at him. Oh, look how slimy it is.
Yeah, these things are small.
Yeah, that is a nice fish. I love the colors.
Gotta watch out for the spine down here.
Yep. All right, Luke, you the man.
Yeah.
Hey, what up, dog? How you doing?
Good, chilling, man.
What's your name?
Mickey.
Mickey, all right. Nicky.
Yeah, Nicky.
All right, is this your first time at a meetup?
Yeah.
Welcome, dog, welcome. All right, what do we got? Fernando and Matt over here, killing it.
Got a nice little Mac right here.
Yeah, dude, I think that's the fattest Mac of the day so far, man.
I think so, dude.
Taking on the pot.
Yep, you won the jackpot. All right, pay him, Matt. 3 hours later. You caught that Mac on squid, you said?
Yes, sir.
Nice, dude.
Well, we're gonna chow down on this guy, so I'm gonna keep him.
All right, man, there you go. That is a nice Mac. Couple of Macs for the day. There we go. All right, Kit, what did you get, bro? Let's see it.
Monster.
There we go. Biggest fish of the day.
You gotta put it away from me.
Bam, there you go, brother. Hell yeah. Kit with the monster. Oh yeah, bring it up, Anthony.
Back, baby.
There we go. Nice, dude. That's the fat Mac. There we go. Nice catch, brother.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's a sweet Mac. Big Mac. And what he's doing is, when flying, and what he's doing is he's taking a hook and he's putting chunks of mackerel on there and squid or whatever they're using, and he's just throwing it out and letting it just float in the water, and the mackerel are coming and eating it. Ooh, there we go. There we go, baby. Get up, get up, get up, get up. There we go. Yes. Oh, man. There we go. This is my what? First Mac of the day. Yo, we got the Mac attack, baby.
I'm sorry for the wait. I'll get you new. I told you it's gonna be gone.
All right, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. We got us a fat Mac. Dang, I've been fishing for one of these all day long. And I finally got one. Yep. All right, open up, buddy. Look. All right, warning. Look how slimy that is, dude. Oh, shit. All right, there we go. All right, there she is. Now I'll save this and I can just use this for bait. Bait fish. All right, we got the fish on. What do you got there? That's a jack smelt, huh?
Yeah.
All right, nice job. What did you use for bait?
Squid.
He's using squid. He's got the sabiki rig with the weight at the bottom, and he used squid to get it. Good job, brother. There we go. All right, Mickey with the fish. What do we got? This is another Salima. That's another fat Salima. Dude, the Salimas out here at Belmont Pier, they're pretty big, man.
Yeah, caught it right in the eye.
Oh, in the eye, the poor Salima.
Yo, this is blinded.
It's a pirate now.
Yo.
Nice catch, Mickey.
Thank you very much.
All right, this is it, you guys. This is a California Salima. You can tell because these lines on them and stuff, they got a bunch of scales on them. Yeah, these are cool little fish, man. So that's a Salima. There we go, Jerk Squad. Drop a like on the video. Let's go. All right, there we go. Kit with another mackerel.
Oh yeah.
That's what's up. That's how we do it.
Got an appetizer right here.
I like it. Yeah, the bait fish are out here slamming, but we can't get nothing big, so we're trying. So let's keep doing it. Oh, he got a Mac. There we go, the fat Mac. Ooh, that is a nice mackerel, dude. Nicely done. Yeah, they're few and far between today, but we're still getting them. Nice, buddy. All right, here we go, guys. It's cleaning time. It is time to clean. Now, the first thing I like to do is take my knife and get all the slime and stuff off of the fish. Use your knife and just scrape it. These mackerel have tiny little scales on them, I think, so you just scrape them off there. And then what I like to do is start at the butt, cut up through the belly, cut through the belly up to its head, like so. I'm gonna cut up a little bit more. All right, there you go. Open it up. Then you are going to get all the guts out of there. Throw all the guts over the pier, like that. Then you take your fish, stick your thumb in, clean out all the guts, all the blood, all the junk. Get her nice and cleaned. All right, there we go. All right, inside's looking good. Inside's looking clean. Make sure you get all your slime off. And then once you have the whole fish cleaned like that, this is ready to eat. So I'm gonna take this home and I'm gonna score these and I'm gonna season them and maybe marinate them for a little bit. I'll let you guys know what I do. But yeah, that's all you gotta do. Cut open the belly, take out the guts, boom, you got fish that are ready to go. And then actually I'm gonna score them. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna score them. I just like to cut them at an angle and do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is good. Do it to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. Scored up fish, ready to go, ready to cook with season and whatnot. Make sure you rinse it off extra good. And that's cleaning fish. All right, man. Nice, dude. Amongst the fires and everything happening over there, which is over at that island, there's a fire. I just got a bunch of footage of it if you want to watch the live video. But yeah, he's over here slamming Max. There we go. Nice.
Oh yeah.
Nice. All right, so you guys, the island over there, I think it's called White Island. It's an oil island, and there was a boat on the outside of the island and the boat caught on fire, and I just went live. So if you're watching this right now, you can go on my channel and you can find the live video. And as soon as it caught on fire, I started recording live, and I got like 20 minutes of the footage. There was cops everywhere and everything. It was insane. So make sure you go watch that video too. But yeah, we're out here jerking, having fun. I got a bunch of mackerel. I'm gonna do a catch, clean, cook today. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna go home and cook some mackerel. We out here, people out here with the jerk squad and stuff, and yeah, we're just gonna keep fishing, then I'll meet you guys back at the house. I'm gonna cook a sweet recipe, guys, all right? All right, stay tuned, guys. Thanks for jerking. Go like and subscribe. I'll meet you at the crib. Let's go. What up, Jerk Squad? I'm back at the crib, as promised, and I'm gonna cook these mackerels that I caught today. Now, what I did is lay them on a paper towel, and I'm gonna use another paper towel to dry them all off and get all the slime off them and everything. So that way, whenever I marinate these, they are nice and dry and they will absorb the marinade. So make sure you dab these bad boys off, dry them out. Okay, the marinade for this is going to be a very easy marinade. It's somewhat of a Hawaiian marinade, and all you're going to do is put some honey into a bowl. Put a good amount of honey in there, you know, like maybe like 1/8 of a cup or 1/4 of a cup, something like that, whatever you want. And after the honey, you're going to add soy sauce, and I would say put in like 1/4 as much soy sauce as you did honey. Or maybe a half, you know, something like that. Get your soy sauce in there, and you're gonna stir this up and mix it all up. And what this is gonna be a honey soy marinade. It's kind of like a Hawaiian recipe almost, but I'm going to marinate these fish in this only. Let them marinate for a little while, and then I'm going to cook them, and it is going to be amazing. I can't wait to show you guys. Let's see how they turn out. Let's do this. Now, to marinate these, I put the fish in a freezer bag all at the bottom, and I'm going to take this marinade. Oh my God, this smells so good. Let me taste it. I'm doing it. I'm tasting it, guys. Oh my God, that's amazing. It's like a sweet, salty mixture. Oh my God, it's so good. But I have these in the bottom of the bag, and what I'm going to do is just pour this marinade all over top of them, okay, in the bag. Pour the marinade over top of them, like so. Now, once you got it in there with those fish, you're going to want to move the fish around. You guys know how to marinate. You know what's going on. Ooh, but look at that. Look at that. That marinade is creeping into all of those score lines that I put in the fish. So I'm going to mix these all up like so. Bam, bam. This is an easy at-home recipe. Super easy for you guys. Honey and soy, that's all you need. But there we go. Okay. So we have these fish. I'm going to throw these in the fridge for about, I don't know, I'd say an hour or two, just to let everything soak in, and then agitate them every now and again just to get it all mixed up. And yeah, let's marinate these up. All right, jerks, we're here. We got this pan right here. I put oil in it so that the fish don't stick too much. And then once your fish are all nice and marinated, just take them and lay them into the pan. All right, guys, there we go. We got some honey soy marinated mackerel chilling in the pan. Look at those bad boys. Okay, here we go. I got the oven preheated to 350 degrees. I'm gonna put these in here on the middle rack, like so. All right, like I said, I put them in there at 350 degrees, and I like my fish a little bit extra crispy and cook off everything, so I'm gonna leave them in there for 40 minutes. I'm gonna leave them in there for 40 minutes, get them a little crispy, and I can't wait to try this. It's gonna be sweet and salty. So good. Let's wait for these to cook, and I'm gonna eat it and show you guys that jerk master privilege. Let's go. All right, they're done, dude. Let's go. What do we got here? Oh my gosh, look at those, dude. Ooh, honey soy max. Those are looking so good. Ooh, cooked to perfection too. I can't wait to eat these. Let's do it. Okay, what is up, Jerk Squad? The fish is finally done, and I can't wait to eat this. I'm so hungry. Today was a long, crazy day. We had so much fun at the Jerk Squad meetup. There was a boat on fire. We caught a bunch of bait fish. We didn't get anything huge, but what are you gonna do? You can't catch everything. And plus it's winter time, and you know, we did what we could. So I got this snack right here. I'm good with it, so let's try it. This is some honey soy mackerel. This is how you do it, you guys. So let's get this fat piece right here. Take that little pin bone out, and there we go. This is it. This is that steaming chunk of honey soy mackerel. And if you let this marinate for a while, you guys, all the flavor will soak in and everything. Oh my God, this is probably going to be so good. Let's see how it is. I'm taste testing it for you. We'll see. Yo. Dude, that honey soy gets it done, man. Oh my god, dude, that is like sweet and salty at the same time. That is so enjoyable. Oh my god, I love that. Dude, you guys try this. Oh my god, try this. Let it marinate as long as you can. As long as you can be patient and let it keep marinating. And I'm telling you, this is fire. This is so good. Honey soy fish. It's like a Hawaiian recipe. But this is incredible. All right, there we go. We got another fat steaming chunk, dude. Steaming chunks of Mac Attack, Mackerel, Mac Attack, Smack, and Mac and Deans, baby. Let's go. Dude, that is so good. Oh my god, I'm about to go primal, dude. I'm about to just start picking this off. And if you cook the fish whole, it'll be like a couple pin bones or something, but you can just pick them out. And honestly, you can just eat them. They're small and they break apart, so you can eat them if you want. You get some calcium or something, I don't even know. Yo, Jerkmaster privilege, let's go. Alright, Jerk Squad, thanks for chilling with me. Thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for hanging out. You guys are awesome. I literally can't even tell you how much I love you guys. You guys are the best. Thanks for chilling with the Perch Jerker and the Jerk Squad. I'm going to keep coming at you guys with fishing videos. If you haven't watched it yet, go to my live videos. My last live video that I did, there was a boat burning down in Long Beach while we were fishing. It was insane. You have to go watch it. Alright. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Cop some Perch merch in the merch store. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Have the best holiday ever. Alright, peace out, Jerk Squad. Love you.